my landlady and I. What kind of thing you're telling me right now? I don't even understand.
Guys, just relax now.
I should relax. Eh?
Guys, just relax now. We'll see him now. Relax.
See, where did you misplace this thing now?
I did not misplace it. Guy, I don't misplace him. Now when I shine my shoe for here, now I just keep him. I don't go see him. We'll go find him.
Today of all day, my wedding day.
Guys, just relax.
Come on, ring.
We'll see it. We'll see it.
See now, it's almost 9 now. I sure say they will call me now. Any moment from now, it's 9. Oh God.
Just tell them say they call you, then call you. Don't worry, we are going to see it. We are going to see. Just relax. Just calm down, please.
See what I told you now. See.
Just tell her we are coming, please.
Hello? Yes. We're almost there. We're almost there. It's just one little traffic. See, just come outside now. Look at the bend. You will see us coming. Look outside now. See us coming. We are coming already. You see, they're already in the church. See, I don't want to say I regret making you my best man. No.
Guy, relax now. Relax.
No, they tell me, man. Oh, look at this one.
Guy, what's in this now? Now because of that small ring, now you couldn't like small picking like this. Guys, calm down. We'll see Anjari.
See,
stand up.
See, don't let me tell you, say, make God no punish you. Which can't be this one now? You know, say without ring, they no go wear those.
Why they insult me now? Guy, no worry. God no go punish me, sir. It will be well with me. God never even finish with the problem of Nigeria. Now my matter don't go focus. Relax, we'll see your ring and you do your wedding, Jari. Just calm down, we'll see.
Take. I wish you know how much I buy this ring. You know how much I buy this? 135,000.
135,000. Guy, just bring 1,000 naira. Make a rush. Go buy a ring for Aboki side for you now.
Your sister will wed with Aboki ring. Forget to Amazon now buy this ring so that everything will go well.
Guys, calm down. If you don't tell me say na Amazon you buy this ring, me I no go know. So if you go buy Aboki own like this 500 naira or 1,000 naira, in short, you know what's me? Give me 500 naira. I go use 200 and do transport. Buy ring 300 for you. Nobody go know.
I know say bomb dey your head. No bomb dey your head. Bomb.
Guy, no one wait.
Look for this thing,
Take. They find your ring at the church. I don't do church already, safe.
Streets.
Okay, they find your ring.
Streets. God.
This episode of My Landlady and I is proudly brought to you by Krista Owens.
I'm coming. God, even my in-laws want to. Oh God, buy Aboki. Oh God, Aboki ring. Oh, I didn't even close the door.
Oyi, are you still here? It's already 10 a.m. I think make a branch now. You see there. What did they do for us?
Devil just. I don't even know. The thing is just. God.
How? I don't understand.
It was my best man now. Streets. I gave him ring to just keep. He misplaced it. We can't find the ring now.
Where is he? Where is he now?
He went to get ring from Aboki.
Aboki, wait. You won't use Aboki ring to do your wedding? I don't understand.
What kind of stupid question is that one?
You know, rich make you insult me now. Just ask you a question. You rich make insult me. I beg. Look for, where did he drop it? Let's look for the ring.
The ring is just somewhere here. I don't know.
Now wow. Bring that to let me look for it. I'll look for it. Put it inside. Where did he drop it? Now wow. Which
this guy did now?
This one. Now wow. Which kind of nonsense? See ring now. See your ring. See what you're looking for since. Here all along.
It's inside though.
Take. Go. Come. Wait. Where are you going to? Not properly dressed. Come now. Let me help you.
I'm ready. Let me just go. Don't worry. Let me
help you. Put your hand. Put your hand.
What is happening here?
What are you doing here?
I said, what is happening here?
Where?
Don't ask me stupid question. And what is she doing here? Oh, I see. So this is the reason why you are still here. At least today is our wedding. You should have waited for today to be over.
It's not know what you think.
Shut up! You! Today is my wedding. You should have honored me.
Baby, can you please stop?
How dare you? How dare you?
What is?
Serves you right.
I mean, it's not what you think. It's not, oh God, streets. It's not what you think.
What is happening here?
Hey,
But
I don't understand.
Why are you on a wedding dress and she's not?
Who is supposed to be the bride here? I don't understand.
She's the one getting married now. Why are you cutting your eye? Is your eye paining you? Did something enter your eye?
I don't get it. Are they dating?
If they are dating, I don't even know who you are. She sleeps here, she works here, she eats here. In fact, I don't even know who is the tenant again. Whether she's the one I brought in, Abi, it is Oyi, and you're asking me. Can you not see that she's here?
Oh my God.
I'm dressed up for the wedding, thinking this is the bride now.
Jesus Christ. Thank God for revealing the real you. Here's your ring. Let's go. Calm down.
baby, wait. Baby, please wait.
Wait, oh, I'm not yet done. Come. Aye. And why is this one's face like this? Oyi! Oyi, my humble tenant. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Did I lie? Is it not the two of you that is supposed to do this wedding? Am I not saying the truth? Hey, but now the problem now is that party, that how would you now do the reception? Like the party rice uncle. So that they can give me small. Well, you know you can misbehave. Why did you not marry this one now? And I was telling you all these girls you bring every day. It's. Are you losing hope? Let's go and beg her now. You carry this one and just go anyhow.
Run.
I know.
Since you want to.
Sorry, oh my God, not allow them, make them kill you.
No, let me fuck up.